Hello, welcome to Physical Science. I am Mr. Bray. I'll be your teacher for the year. This video is serving as an introduction to the course a little bit, and also mainly just how to navigate the Canvas page and how I organize my Canvas page so that you can easily find assignments, find the unit we're on, and keep up to date with what we're doing in class, whether you're here or at home zooming in. Let me show you around. All of our home pages this year are the same from teacher to teacher. I have two sections of physical science, so either period 3 or period 11, the time slot on a regular schedule. If we have a modified schedule, these won't be the times. Right underneath that will be your links to the appropriate Zoom class. If you are zooming in from home, just first thing when you get here, click open the link. If you're zooming in, and then you can join the rest of the class with where we are on the Canvas page from there. Here's a quick link to the assignments page. That is also here as well. If you need to contact me, this is my email address, but you can also message me through Canvas. And how I organize my class is by modules, not by assignments. So the first thing you should do if you are at home is, of course, join the Zoom. From that point, I'll take your attendance. Once you're at my Canvas homepage, kind of the two places you'll probably be going the most will be Class Notebook or Modules. All right, so Modules is the place that you'll click here on the side where I organize all my content by the unit that we're currently in. So the first module I have is just some generic class resources that will be good for you. First and foremost, an invitation to join my Remind system. So in case I need to send out notifications, I can do that in Canvas, but sometimes this is a preferred way because it can come up on your phone as a text message if you would like it to. There's also the syllabus here, some lab safety rules, which we won't be doing as many this year, unfortunately, because of the hybrid model. And I believe that's it for that. The first unit here is where I want to spend most of my time. But once we're into the actual content, how I organize each unit is by pages. It follows a sequential order. So if this whole first unit is on science skills, from this point you're going to be clicking each page. The first page isn't so important for you, more so for my organization and for showing what we're kind of learning as a big picture. Just each little unit within, the standards that we're learning, the vocab that we'll be using. But the main unit is all by lessons. So lesson 1.1, kind of refreshing our memory on the scientific method. Each page is going to be organized from top to bottom, sequentially down. The first kind of stuff is just some questions we'll be asking the vocab, and the learning activities and resource is the first thing that you should pay most attention to. And you should follow the order that it goes in. So the first thing you should be doing is taking notes on the scientific method. I use guided notes in this class, and I'll have PowerPoints that you can look through. The PowerPoints will be posted on Canvas. So it says, take notes on the scientific method, use slides 1 through 12 in Chapter 1 PowerPoint. Here's a hyperlink to the PowerPoint, and fill in your student notes in OneNote. I'll show you how to do that in class and also on this video just a little bit. Next thing would be complete the scientific method lab. We'll be doing that in class. You can see there's a link to the assignment. So all my assignments are hyperlinked onto the pages and in the order that you should do them in. All right, once you've done those two things, you've completed the scientific method lesson in terms of taking notes and doing the lab, which we'll be done in class, this particular one. And so you'd go to the next page. Next lesson would be on accuracy and precision. Same thing, a couple things at the beginning. Learning activities, watch this video, take notes on accuracy and precision, use slides 13 and 14 in the PowerPoint, again hyperlinked, to complete your student notes. If you notice any word that's bolded in the learning activities is something you actually have to do. And so watch, take notes, complete, and again, if it's something that is an assignment, it'll hyperlink you right to the assignment that you'll go there. If you are on the home page as well, none of my assignments are published yet, but you would see the date that they're due over here. You could go directly to them here or hyperlink using the modules page over here. So again, back to modules. At the end of each module, so under the science skills module, that's also where I just put as a quick place the entire notes for this unit, and then eventually some maybe answers to some of the worksheets that we do. So worksheets, notes, and assignments, I'm going to try to exclusively, as best as I can, do them in class notebook. This will be the other common one that you use. So in class notebook, that will be besides going to modules to see kind of where we are and follow along on the lessons, class notebook will be what you use in order to see the notes that I take, complete the worksheets. It's kind of a place where I will throw all the stuff that you can actually do virtually. So that way, whether you're home all the time in class, zooming in from home, you all can have the assignment and complete it without me having to chase you down and hand you a physical paper. So you'll have to sign in for the first time. I've already done that, so it'll take me right there. And then under Manage Notebooks, you will be part of my class that you can take notes in. So I've uploaded all of so let me go to my notebook so that you can see, so like in your physical science notebook, this would be something you can see. There'll be, here we are in the first unit called Science Skills. And then these are the student notes that are all kind of fill in the blank for you. So I'll be going through these in class, or you'll be Zooming watching me go through these. They're also available, the PowerPoint slides that go along with this, on Canvas so that you can fill in the blanks as you go. All this can be used on any assessment that we take in this class or any worksheets that we do in this class as well. So it's important to keep an up-to-date notebook, and you'll be filling this in as you go. I'll be able to see it in live feedback. If you start filling in stuff, it'll show up there. All right, you'll take your pen, you'll write in there, or you can type in there if you don't like your handwriting. All right, same thing. Scientific method, any kind of lab will do. I'll throw that in here, and you can write right on top of it in your notebook, screenshot it, convert it to a PDF, and submit the assignment on Canvas. I'll go over more of that in class as well. But this is where we will be doing a lot of our work this year, just because of the situation that we're in. So it's a link right on Canvas. You don't have to search for it. So again, on my Canvas page, the two most common ones you're going to use is the modules page in order to find the assignment and follow the instructions of what we're doing on a particular lesson, and then the notebook page where you can take your notes and complete your assignments virtually, and then submit that through Canvas as well. Okay. So if you have any questions, of course, you can email me, message me through Canvas, and I'll get back to you in a promptly, timely manner. If not, I look forward to having you in class this year, hopefully in person as much as possible. And yes, we'll make the best of it. So I'll see you in class, and that's it.